pair of fucking kids. Okay.
Encontrarás en el andén.
They can. We're ready for dinner.
Word.
That's the first like sentence of the vlog. Dinner.
Dinner.
Your family.
Oh really? It's moving fast. Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, look at
What's the shot doing? It started raining and we're outside.
Oh, it's Heather.
Is it on your back?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, wait. We've been moved inside and there's like chickens. No, chickens. Oh. I wish you could smell it.
This is day one and we've already eaten like this. It's 60% that.
It's like food.
You can say the word, it's okay. Wow.
I think the lighting's bad. But it's the first full day and it's raining.
It's gonna rain all weekend. Of Barcelona.
Off for breakfast.
check.
We're off for breakfast.
Let's stand on
Dave.
the chair.
Get a load of that.
It's like what my Catholic should be.
We're going shopping now. Oh! I dropped my camera. We're going shopping now because it's not that good weather to like go to the beach. Oh, you laughing at me? It's just like rushing.
Oh yeah.
I don't think that's a tourist trap. That's actually like skillful.
This is my first time in Spain.
Well, it is tourist.
Yeah, true.
We did them in art. Do you remember Gaudi?
No.
You did it.
I didn't.
What shops are we going?
There's Randy Melville
Carhartt.
there.
Oh, Scuffers.
Scuffers.
Zara? No, no.
The giant Zara, because it's like a museum.
Because you've got Zara Warrior and
Anyone
one
want to
over
go
it.
Randy
So where are we off to next?
We're going to La Rambla because we're going to La Marca de Boqueria.
Oh, she's fast. Ariane, do a haul for the vlog.
Wait,
Give the vine, I ain't gonna do it.
I need underwear because I didn't bring mine.
I don't think that's going to make the vlog.
We're going in Scuffers and we're all so excited.
So cool, guys.
Losing my Scuffers virginity.
Can you stop making the vlog weird?
Good evening. Welcome back. We here have our first apple of the trip. First
at the
of many,
lens,
I may
please.
say. Look at the lens. Sorry, I have a lazy eye. It's kind of... We just had Sandwich Club, which is very nice. Pulled pork, fried chicken sandwich. We're now off to get some strawberry matcha. Just getting some candid videos. You're not supposed to look? You're not supposed to look, it's candid. No, so it's about a 5-minute walk in the lovely city of Barcelona.
Oh, yeah.
I just sprayed Millie's replica fragrance on there.
Did you even smell it before you?
No, this one.
She said her mum thought it was toilet spray or something, so I was using it in the toilet. For how much is it?
Oh,
Yeah,
hate
exactly.
rich people.
No.
What? I just thought it was like toilet spray. Joking. Love Lindsay.
Oh my god, you're not letting me get a sentence in. Oh, ew. I'm not the flipping dentist. Oh my god, all these Instagram kids. Why you sound like that? Guess whose is whose.
Can I drink it?
Oh, he's put it like next to whose is whose, hasn't he?
No, well, you didn't have to see that. You wouldn't have known.
Oh, sorry.
So travel back down that road. Will she come back? No one knows. See, I've got myself in a sticky situation here, guys. I seem to have somehow ended up on a boat. But you know what? Barcelona is just for the vibes. I'm doing whatever I want on this trip. As you can see, I can't paddle it very well. We're going to do a little U-turn here. Oh, it's unbelievable movement. It's a 3-point turn. As you can see, Latvia will still not be winning any gold medals anytime soon, especially in this event.
My arms are like going the wrong direction. Wait. No, why is it going backwards? Okay.
Right, watch out. Little ice cream moment. Just waiting for the other two to get their ice cream. And then we're going to go out for dinner. For din-dins, I think we're having pizza.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys,
Wow.
post night out scram. That's how you know we're hungover, getting 2 drinks. It's got to be done, honestly. Guys, what would you rate? Given no context.
So
we went to the club. What did everyone rate their night out?
Last night I'd rate it a 7.5. This morning I'd rate it a 2. So I feel disheveled.
Wow. Oh, what the hell? It's so cute! Oh my god! That's huge!
fuck them. Whoa. Is that a potato?
We made it to the beach. Oh my god. This is Brixham abroad. It looks even worse on camera. Look, Ariane.
Caden, put.
We took beach day too far.
Back.
Oh. Oh. Mine's not that bad.
Mine's just a luminous. It's like a traffic light.
As you can see, we're fitting in really well with the locals.
We're going for dinner.
Yoga.
Getting ramen. Excuse me. They didn't have space for us, so we've come to a little bar and we all ordered a Coke. Yeah, it's a wine bar.
We're going back in 45 minutes, so.
Yeah, so we will get our ramen.
Otherwise, I'll miss that. Yeah.
We're going to do everyone's highlight and low of the trip, starting with Caden.
Hello. My low light is right now. I look like a fucking lobster. Someone took it a bit too far at the beach. And the pasty white man is now dad bod realness. But hopefully it'll develop to a nice time. And then
Mine's probably the burn as well. Oh, well, that's interesting.
That's what I was just thinking.
you can tell we're British, can't you?
That's the one that I thought.
Oh, here come all our Cokes. Oh, that's embarrassing. Right, Millie, your low light.
My low light is probably just feeling a bit like restless because I've got work to do that I've got sprung on me, so I don't feel like I'm fully able to just relax and enjoy myself. So, but I've still had a good time nevertheless. It's just that's the point.
I've got a new low light. Getting fat shamed off last night.
I didn't think about mine. I've not taken good pictures.
Yeah, neither.
No, good
not enough
pictures.
pictures.
Shit.
I know.
Highlights. Oh shit, me first, God. My highlight of the trip has been the whole trip.
Can't do that.
Oh, you've not thought of anything, have you?
Okay, right. My highlight of the trip was the submarinos. And the
You need to
Spanish.
explain what a submarine
So a
is.
submarino is a pint of San Miguel. I guess any beer with San Miguel. And you could get a shot. So they put the shot at the bottom of the cup, and then it like the shot glass is upside down anyway. And then you can get. I had two.
No,
I had one with
it's two
fire.
when he was shaking ass.
Do not recall.
I don't have one yet.
I'll do
But
mine.
we're going in. Oh, have I turned it off? We're going in order.
Eric's highlight is a non-verbal.
I see pizza. I like that pizza a lot. When location came on, but like I'm bad when it was at holiday.
Oh yeah.
But that's not my highlight. My highlight was going in the sea today.
Yeah, that's a big
It
one.
actually like alived me. I felt rebirthed.
Alive. English legend, Justin Latino. It alived me.
My honourable mention is definitely the sea. I had a really good time today. However, I would say like our night out on whole yesterday, from parking here to all the bars.
To the kebab.
And the bartender kebab was unreal.
We did take the highlight.
Oh,
places.
my highlight was Parakeet.
Pancake.
Guys, if you ever go to Barcelona, go to Parakeet. I'm enjoying myself. That's all I'm
They've only got
So we are now off home, as tomorrow, big day ahead of sunbathing. I don't know why we're sunbathing, because we all look like fucking lobsters. Especially me, my whole chest is burnt. But I'm hoping it's going to develop into a lovely tan. But as you can see, the outfit. Justine looks like a fucking fish that's just been caught. But we will update you tomorrow. Oh, there's a little festival on. Wait, we've ended up at a concert. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! The function is it! We got Goku on the stage. Bring this into the crowd. Let's go, team. See you soon.
See you later. Bye.
It's like deja vu. You're wearing the same outfit as well.
Squirrel.
This is not the same outfit.
Well, you're pretty
All those
spot.
yoga pants every fucking day. Justine bought 5 pairs of shoes just to wear the same
Oh.
same £1 Primark flip flop.
They're Havaianas actually.
What does that mean?
So Millie's working again. I think she just used this to get rid of us.
Here we go. Justine's getting a magazine.
I'm gonna get a matcha, I think. But I got a Vogue magazine when we went to Paris. I realised I can't read it when I got home. It's on it. So it just sits on my wardrobe.
Are you getting some?
Yeah.
As we can see, we have 2 massive Nesbits in the wild.
Good. Really? So update, the mint is not very good. Why are you laughing?
It's like mint sauce.
It literally does. And it's got like, I swear I've eaten a lot. I say it's not good. I've literally eaten like the whole thing, but look at the mint droplets. Like I think it's actual leaves.
It's actually got heads.
Oh, my camera's gonna die.
Oh, didn't.
In case the camera, oh Jesus, the wind. In case the camera dies before we get to the beach, this is the outro.
This is the outro of the whole video.
Yep, it actually is.
God, thanks for watching, guys.
said something before that could have been natural.
What did I say before?
Yeah, the ice cream.
Oh, wait, guys, over. I know. You're supposed to stop recording.